Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces, introducing you to a natural stone veneer called Cascade. Cascade comes in a plank format. Each plank is 4 inches tall, 16 inches wide, and about 5/8 of an inch thick. You can see the format on this sample and on the wall behind me, and you can see the thickness. Every plank is the same size. It is natural stone, so of course there is veining in the stone, so you will get the variety from piece to piece. The size is consistent, but of course you get the natural variety that comes from natural stone in the colorway. On the wall behind me is the color Dover, which is more of a cream off-white colorway, and then there's also Fossil, which is more gray. Both are obviously quite neutral. You can see the gray there. The other thing you'll notice about the texture of this stone are the subtle ripples in the surface. And if I hold that up again, you can see how the surface is rippled. And that adds another lovely linear effect to the stone. It's laid out horizontally here. There's no reason you couldn't do it vertically. I've most often seen it horizontal. It worked beautifully around this semi-flush fireplace installation that we have here, because we were able to just run those planks right around, and then we had the corners mitered. There are not corner pieces here, so you will have to do miters or some sort of butt joint at the corners. You can see that it has this similarity from piece to piece, that consistency of size, and although the texture is rippled, it is very consistent from piece to piece, so you're not getting a lot of highs and lows in this stone, so it lends itself beautifully to the overlapping fireplaces that we have here. It is fire safe, so it could be around any type of fireplace. Ours, of course, are electric, but it could go around your gas or wood burning fireplace. It is also indoor, outdoor rated, so you could have this on the outside of your home, and you can have it on your interiors as well. I would say because of its format, it is on the contemporary side of stone, but you still get the warmth of a natural stone product. Again, it's called Cascade Natural Stone Veneers. You can find them on stylishfireplaces.ca. Look under our fireplace add-ons and then look for the natural stone veneers.